This is Northside. This place is in Cincinnati.
You gotta go all around.
This
You
is
gotta go back there.
Northside.
You gotta go back.
This is Northside. This place is in Cincinnati, Ohio.
You can say it's parts of Northside.
This is parts of Northside. You know, they got apartments out here. They got apartments out here. They got stores out here. They got bars, clubs, grocery stores, restaurants. I'm just in the little part of Northside. I mean, this is a nice place to live. They got all kind of buses that come out here. They got the 20 come out here, get the 27, the 17, all kind of buses. Little apartment right here. I mean, this place is like a little city. You know, I come out here all the time, go to the bank or go shopping. They got PNC banks out here. They got all kind of ATMs out here. They got hair stores out here. They got a gym called Hero Gym. They got a place that sell washing and dryers. I mean, this is nice. This looks like a little city. They got a lot of stores and stuff. This is mostly all of Northside. It's most of it. I'll probably get the rest of it. Later. I like these drawings they drew on the wall. Huh. These drawings they drew on the wall. Some nice drawings. Little octopus. Nice drawings. Very nice drawings. There's some whole bunch of restaurants up in this parking lot. There's some apartments across the street. They nice. They new and remodeled. And they still renting right now. White Castles.